Hey guys, welcome back to Brainiac Workshop and to our terminal series. This is going to be the 6th lesson, I believe, on all our terminal tricks and tips. So today is actually going to be on the most important thing that I think the most important thing of terminal, which is called the directory. Now, the directory is essentially a place. It comes in any form, and it's essentially a place where your commands may be directing to. So right now, if you look here, it says Arjun Shah, which is the name of the account. My commands will be directing to the account. Now, for example, if I do cd desktop, which I'll explain in just a moment, I'll be directing to the desktop. So what is cd desktop? CD basically tells you to change the directory, or change the place where you're directing it to. If you say CD desktop, that means that I'm changing my directory to the desktop, which means that all my commands will be focused to the desktop. And even if you notice now, right here, it says desktop, which means I'll be going to the desktop. So that's what CD does. Essentially, changes the place where you're going to. Now, to look at the contents of this directory, all you have to do is ls, and we'll see that there are all there's system preferences, Java class. There's all these these folders on that you can see are right here, exactly the same stuff that are right here is right here. So CD desktop always tells you to change the directory that you're working in current. CD tells you to change the directory, and ls tells you what's in the directory. Now, for example, you can even make your own directory, which is relatively easy as well. For example, you can do something called makedir, which is mkdir, and you type makedir. You can name it anything you want to name it, so I'll just call it fly. Hit enter, and now there's something called fly. Now this is a place, it's a destination, it's something that I can go to. Now because now it's a directory, I can even go to that directory. For example, I could do cd fly. Now notice right here, instead of saying desktop, it says fly, meaning that I can go there. I'm going right to fly. Now, if I say ls, there's nothing in it, as it is an empty folder. Well, I think that should cover everything not everything, but it should cover the basics of cd, ls, and make directory. You'll find these are probably extremely important. And I'll actually, later in the series, after we cover all the basics, we'll be going into the really in-depth, like what every letter, word really symbolizes. So please stay tuned, comment, rate, subscribe. We appreciate all feedback. And thanks for watching. Bye.